Welcome to the LiftMaster technique videos. We show you short video clips. My name is Michael, and if you have a garage door opener that looks like this, with a control panel behind the plastic cover that looks like this, these videos are for you. How to use the 24-volt power output for accessories. This is the terminal where you are able to get 24-volt output for an external receiver, by example. This output is switched off. There is no power when the garage door is closed because by factory set the garage door opener is in super standby, and therefore it switches off the accessory terminal. You need to enable this terminal, and I show you how. Disconnect the garage door opener from power, push and hold the up and down triangle and connect the garage door opener to power. Keep holding. After a few seconds, the garage door opener light starts to blink to show you the feature is enabled. Now this terminal will stay enabled when the garage door opener is in super standby. Your external receiver that you may like to connect need to be connected to the terminal and to terminal 1 and 2 for the relay to open and close the garage door. If you want to toggle to the other mode like before, you simply repeat the procedure.